For those of you who are not keenly aware, there's about 3/4 of an inch difference from side to side. Oh, that's stuck. So, let us remedy that directly. You can either push one side up, or you can pull one side down. But that's the correctly aligned side. So a pulling we will go. If I can figure out how. Well, doesn't want to move too far. Funny loose. Oh, it has them funky washers on this one too. It's got this here adjusting washer with several flats on it. And you pick the flat that you want to rest against that stop to change the angle of the bumper. I think I will. So if I set that on the highest flat, that's the lowest that the bumper will go. Yeah, almost does it by itself. That's the next one. One more. Can't do it and hold the camera at the same time, so you'll just have to use your imagination. Don't weigh enough. I need assistance. Maybe that'd be enough. No. Almost there. Just a wee bit more, Kevin. Just a wee bit more. Oh, give me the click of success. It worked! Bolt her down. Make sure your ratchet's going the right direction. That's all I need to do is back it off and have it pop out again. It's amazing the bolts even came loose. Yeah, so I didn't click that one. How'd it turn out? Well, it don't look no different. Oh, it slipped off. Oh, man. Unclick. Now it bent the washer. Doggone it. Like that. Of course, all I really need to do is flip it around the other way, which will be to my advantage. Because if it's bent, it's just a little bit shorter. You know what? If I lube this, might be better too. There'll be a lock washer floating around in there somewhere. Like it? That sound you just heard is what I wanted in the first place. Hopefully it won't pop back out. Well, if I snug it down, it won't pop back out. Oh! It is snapped into place. Crack! Happy? Now let's look. Yes. Click. Click. That's a win. That's a score. That's a goal. You need to push one side up. You can either push one side up, or you can pull one side down. Chain's gonna be stuck. I think I'll put those out of harm's way. Like that.